signal was a test of the public warning and alarm for transmitters in the Fort Listing area, originating from Ruskin, Florida. This was also a test of the same system for a specific area messaging coder. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. and let your weather threatens. This concludes the weekly test. Now return to regular programming.
Now for the official... This is NOAA Radio, your 24-hour voice of the National Weather Service. The preceding signal was a test...
Wait, what? Your recon went off on the second header.
...listing area, originating from Ruskin, Florida. This was also a test of the same system, or specific area message encoder. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. unless severe weather threatens. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming. This is NOAA Weather Radio, KHB 30.